Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by taking control. Set your camera to aperture priority or manual so aperture and shutter respond predictably. Start with a low ISO, then select an f-stop that matches your intent, f/2. 8 for subject separation, f/8 for landscapes. Once done, check the camera's suggested shutter speed. If it's slower than you can handhold, increase ISO or open aperture. Make sure to lock focus and frame. This first combination gets you into the exposure zone quickly and intentionally. Now refine the trade-off between motion and depth. If your subject moves, choose a faster shutter speed like 1/250 or 1/500, and if needed, open the aperture or raise ISO to maintain exposure. Conversely, when you want more depth of field, stop down to f/11 or f/16 and then lengthen the shutter or boost ISO to compensate. Once stable, use a tripod for speeds below 1/60th and consider mirror lock or a remote shutter to eliminate camera shake. To finish, validate your choices. Bracket shots with plus and -1 exposure value and review the histogram to ensure no clipping on either side. If highlights are blown, close aperture or shorten shutter. If shadows are crushed, open aperture or lengthen exposure. If you see noise, lower ISO and compensate with a longer shutter or wider aperture, and when possible use RAW so you can recover details in post. If things still go wrong, switch to manual and dial, each control deliberately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.